Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that can save you a lot of money. We're going to deep clean your washing machine, especially the rubber gasket, to remove all that hidden dirt and mold. As you can see, this area is really dirty. It's been a long time since I gave it a proper cleaning with bleach or anything deep. Usually, I just wiped the surface and thought it was fine. But I didn't realize how bad it had gotten until now. I actually saw this cleaning trick on a short video the other day and thought, let's bring it here to YouTube so more people can learn how to clean their washing machine properly and avoid replacing the gasket. You probably noticed how black and dirty that rubber looked before. After this cleaning, it looks much lighter and cleaner. Of course, mine had been dirty for a long time, so some stains are deeper, but it's already a big improvement. Now, here's how we'll do it. Take a clean cloth and soak it in bleach. Then, place that cloth inside the rubber seal, deep into the folds, where most of the black mold and grime usually builds up. We'll let it sit there for about 2 hours so the bleach can do its job. While that's working, I also clean around the detergent drawer. Look at that, I didn't realize how much dirt was stuck in there. Just by wiping inside, all this came out. It made me wonder if I was really washing my clothes or just making them dirtier. Honestly, it's a little embarrassing to show this, but if it helps someone else notice it in time, it's worth it. Because many people don't realize how dirty that part of the washing machine gets, I didn't either. So again, we'll leave the bleach-soaked cloth in place for 2 hours, especially where it's the darkest. Then we'll scrub gently, and you'll see the difference right away. Most of the black marks will disappear, and the rest will look much lighter. After that, I run a short cleaning cycle with baking soda, about 1 small cup, to remove any leftover bleach and fully sanitize the inside. You can use the shortest program your machine has, in my case, it's 15 minutes. That's enough to rinse everything out and leave it fresh. After the wash cycle, I go back and wipe the rubber again, and yes, more dirt still comes out. But compared to how it started, it's a massive difference. Now the gasket looks clean, the drum smells fresh, and the detergent area is spotless too. This small maintenance step will help your washing machine work better, smell better, and last longer, without needing to replace the rubber seal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it. See you in the next one.